Welcome to VideoPad tutorial on Sonic Tech the Self-Learners Club. How to take a snapshot from your video on VideoPad. To take a snapshot from your video, open Menu, Sequence, take Sequence Preview Snapshot. This snapshot could help you freeze your video, and add some comments to explain what is going on in that video, before moving on to the next clip. Split your video where you take the snapshot. Then add the snapshot between clips, and decide how long that snapshot should be. Play the clips to check the result.